Hi everyone. Today I will explain various file formats used in big data applications. So we have multiple file formats in our big data applications. So first we have Avro file format, we have Parquet file format, we have ORC file format, default file format is text file, we have sequence file format. So these are the various file formats used in big data application, and I'm showing you the practical example of Avro file format, how this file format is used in the application, big data applications, and why this file format is required. So Avro is a row-based file format which is used in Hadoop applications. So if we talk about Avro is a combination of Avro schema combines with data. So data combined with Avro schema. Avro schema is default. Avro schema is a JSON file. So I'm showing you a practical example how we will implement this Avro file format in our Hive application, and what is the advantage of using these file formats. So I have so this is my HQL script. So and my data set is this is my data set. Now we will load this data set in a Hive table, and we need to create a Avro Hive table, so that once data will be loaded in this table, it will be auto converted into Avro file format. So these file formats are used as compression formats because we are processing huge amount of data. So we need to compress our data set so that our costing will be reduced, and these are the benefits of using file formats. We will have, if you are using Avro file format, then it will provide faster read operation. So whenever we load data in our landing format, we prefer that we store data in Avro file format, so that our downstream system they can easily extract data from the landing zone. So another advantage of compression is that it will save the storage area. So as you can see, it's written here that it will save the storage cost, processing data will be fast, and so both processing cost and the storage both will be reduced if we are using these file formats. So this is my data set. So first I create a Avro table, and we have inbuilt serializers. So Hive supports Avro serializer, deserializer, and as I said, Avro is Avro schema and as well as the data. So Avro schema by default is JSON. So we need to provide a JSON schema here while we are creating our table, and then first create a temp table, load data in that temp table using this load command, and then finally insert your data from temp table to Avro table. So I'm executing the script hive-f, and the path of this Avro script. Now I submit this HQL script on Hive server. We have other file formats as well, Parquet, ORC, text file. So now it's saying Avro, Olympic Avro already exists. Okay, first drop table. Show tables. Drop table Olympic Avro. Now drop this table as well, Olympic. Drop table Olympic. Now execute the script, HQL script again. Takes time. Now it's done. Now we can verify metadata first. So meta server for Hive is MySQL. So show databases. Show databases. Use metastore. Metastore is the meta server for Hive. Now show tables. Now here we have meta information in this TBLS. Select star from TBLS. This is our table, Avro table, Olympic Avro. Now we can verify actual data in HDFS, the warehouse directory of Hive. Now Olympic Avro. This is my Avro file format. So it compressed data in this Avro file. Now to understand this dataset, this compression dataset, first we need to convert this data in a readable format. So for that we have so we will use this jar. So first we will download this jar file, this Avro jar file, Avro tools jar. So this jar convert Avro file format into a JSON format, and then we can verify how it compressed data internally. So what I'm doing, I'm converting a Avro format into a JSON format. Now command is java-jar. This is the path of my jar file to JSON, so that to JSON is a function to convert Avro into JSON. This is my Avro file. This is my Avro file, and on desktop it will provide me the output. So after converting this Avro file into a JSON file, and then we can verify what exactly data is. So once this command executed, it will convert Avro file into a JSON file. Now here we can check and verify that it maps each and everything into a JSON format. So Avro file format is internally wraps everything into a JSON format.